Summer is here and I want to look glowy, bright, but natural. So this is my everyday routine to go from this to this in just a few steps. First step is using the Innisfree Brightening Toner Pads. This gives me a luminous base to start my routine. Next, I'm using the Innisfree Brightening Vitamin C Serum to target any hyperpigmentation. My next step, using the Innisfree Vitamin C Brightening Cream, which instantly brightens my skin. I love how lightweight this feels on my skin. The Kiehl's Avocado Eye Treatment is my go-to when prepping for concealer. This leaves my under eyes so hydrated. The key to a brighter under eye is to have a concealer that matches your skin tone and one to brighten. I'm going to start by using the Danessa Myricks concealer I'm going to place on the inner corners of my eye, and then I'm going to go in with the Fenty concealer on the outer corners of my eyes. And then I'll use my sponge to blend up to give that lifted effect. Now I'm ready to set. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting powder. I love to go a shade lighter to achieve that brighter under eye and just applying this with a puff. I'm not skipping the SPF, using the new Until Dawn Sunscreen setting spray to protect my skin and lock in my makeup. And now we have our finished look. The skin is glowing, bright, and protected. We're ready for summer.